There are many ways to approach a search in Mastermind. Each of the concepts shown here in gray are examples of the types of terms that you can search. Since we index every word of the articles in our database, users can submit queries for genes, variants, CNVs, diseases, phenotypes, therapies, or user-defined free text. You can also combine different concepts into a single search, like a gene, variant, and disease, or search multiple terms, like a list of phenotypes. It's important to note when the system recognizes your input as a particular genomic concept to ensure maximal sensitivity and engagement with our core technology, which we call Genomic Language Processing, or GLP. GLP normalizes and disambiguates clinical and genomic information, making it such that Mastermind identifies every reference in every article in every way that an author could describe it. You don't need to worry about entering your variant in every nomenclature an author might use, because by entering it one way, Mastermind is searching for all the other ways that variant can be described. You can see GLP in action as we launch a search. Genes can be searched by their HGNC symbols or names, shown here both ways with Titan as an example. Mastermind recognizes variant information provided as protein, cDNA, genomic coordinates, RSIDs, or IVS nomenclature. In each of these examples I've shown, the system is recognizing the input as a variant and displaying it in the drop-down list as such. CNVs can be searched using array nomenclature, karyotypes, cytobands, genomic positions, or by genes and exons. Mastermind uses mesh terms for diseases and HPO terms for phenotypes. Phenotypes can also be entered as their HPO identifier. Therapies are indexed by their unique ingredient identifier, or UNII. They can be searched by the drug's brand name or generic name. Mastermind also recognizes investigational drug names. Free text terms can be searched as defined by the user. Text searching can be useful when you're interested in a word or topic that doesn't fall into one of Mastermind's filter categories or indexed genomic concepts. Some examples of when you might use free text are to specify a subtype of a disease not listed in the dropdown, or to indicate an NCI trial number from clinicaltrials.gov. Whenever terms are added to the search bar, the system searches for matches in the articles and then displays the sentence fragments in the full text matches. Let's bring these concepts together to launch a search for a gene, phenotype, and free text. In this case, I'll search FLT3, AML, and a clinicaltrials.gov identifier as free text. When I click on an article, I can expect to find sentence fragments that match my search terms. Though I didn't include a specific variant in my search, Mastermind will still pull out mentions of any FLT3 variants in this article. As I scroll through the list, I can see my gene, some variants, my free text keyword, more variants, and finally, my phenotype.